back to the channel. Can't say garage because we're not in the garage. Just leaving a P.O. box. There was a package there. I don't know who it's from. I had to go down there because they were emailing me saying, yo bro, you owe us money. I had to go pay my P.O. box, and I got a package from Stay Sly. Stay Sly from Ohio. Check it out, I can actually use first gear if I take my shift knob off. It works. It still hits a little bit. Yeah, Braven got his heads done. Well, he got them ported and all that stuff, and then he went and dropped them off at the machine shop. So he's cleaning them and resurfacing them, right? Yeah. Which is done. So that's what we're doing. We're on our way to go pick them up. Oh, there they are. Brand spanking new heads there, boy. Yeah. He'll be all right.
Where'd Braven go?
I got a whole 30 days worth of registration.
Hell yeah, I'm trying to get like you, bro.
I saw it in the comments too. Somebody said, bro, get the Blazer legal. The Blazer's legal.
For 30 days. It's not no more.
It has insurance now too.
Oh, true.
So I have 30 days to get collector's car insurance, which will make me exempt from emissions. Because right now I can't take this thing through emissions because it will not pass.
Bro, is there a few in there?
Yeah, there's 3.
Oh my god, bro.
Well, bro, I taped that first one on there so good.
There's no point of retaping it.
Yeah, why keep doing that? I could just keep shoving them in there. But this is an actual 30 day now. My last 3 were all the 3 days.
Oh, okay.
That was the 30
yeah,
days. So
makes
I've
sense.
used
every single one.
I've used every temporary registration tag that you can use for a year's time. So after this, I have no more. I have no more until next year.
That's wild, bro.
If you're not from Arizona and you don't know how all that works. But yeah. Don't put it in upside down. If it flies out, there's another one behind it.
Yeah, and we'll be good. You got 4 tries.
What? Set the camera up so I can do the throw.
Okay.
Whoop! It was like, bro, why are you gonna throw my heads like that?
Man. Nah, I knew you weren't gonna throw it. I have faith in your intelligence.
Is this what it's like to have the camera in your hand? I gotta unload everything? Or what?
Yeah, bro. Well, you didn't take the camera, so I just assumed you were doing it. So, oh, thanks. I can get them out for you now.
Stay Sly. All right, Stay Sly. What the? Let's see what's in that package, man. I don't know where my tripod's at right now. Oh, yeah. What is it? What is it? A battery switch? Oh, you sent me a battery switch. That's freaking dope. For all them damn dead batteries, bro. What is this? This.
Oh,
more.
sick.
Dude, holy crap.
There's one in there for me.
There's 2 in there. So I said I wanted to get one for every vehicle. You know what's funny is I ordered 1. When I ordered the 1, I told myself, I was, oh, it's right freaking here even. So I ordered 1, and I was gonna order 1 for every vehicle when I ordered this one. And I was like, you know what, I'll just wait, and I'll order 1, and I'll see how it goes. But hey, now I've got them all, baby. This one right here looks like a real fancy one. Dang, how long has this been there? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This came from Caleb and Kayla. Caleb and Kayla. Dude, is that a couple?
It's gotta be, bro. It's a little bit of a tongue twister.
Focus. Caleb and Kayla. Caleb and Kayla. Caleb and Kayla.
It's a tongue twister.
That dude, y'all are meant to be, bro. That's like really close. It's almost one name.
Oh, word?
Just, you know?
Word?
Yeah. If somebody, imagine, I don't know if you guys have kids or you plan on having kids. That's probably weird I'm saying that. They'd be watching this right now. Like,
nah, bro. Nah. We're not
sore
silly,
subject.
bro.
No. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, they're not brother and sister. They want to be sent, you know?
This is going way off subject, bro.
This is getting so far away. Dude. Yeah, imagine if they had kids and someone like, they wouldn't yell out their name though. It'd be mom or dad. I don't know what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is somebody yelled out one of y'all names, you both responded like, which one did you say? You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyhow, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Yes, I most certainly do suffer from the curse of dead batteries. My eyes are killing me right now, so I'm not going to try to read all that. But I will later. I don't mean to sound rude. I will later when I got my glasses. But hell yeah, dude. A bunch of the cutoff switches. I'm sure we could probably let Braven use one.
Appreciate it.
Braven's getting his shopping list for the Yukon. Alright, head gaskets. What, trays
and
valve seals.
Yeah, I keep saying liquid trays and then valve seals,
yeah. And some Brian Tooley Racing freaking head gaskets.
Yes, sir.
That's what's up. No LS9. Bang. Stocking up on parts, man.
I got a whole bunch of new stuff. Oh, the new news?
Yeah, so every single bit of this came from Speedway. How much was all this together?
$160.
Yeah, $160, man. Got new head gaskets, all new trays, valve seals. Yeah, 160 bucks. Not bad.
Whenever I was doing research before, like I'm pretty sure it was gonna, like the head gaskets themselves were gonna cost that.
Yeah.
So,
and it's a good set of head gaskets too.
Yeah, so I asked Robby everything he recommended and went based off of that. So
yeah, Robby's always, he's like our go-to man whenever we need advice about a lot of the LS stuff and everything. And if you guys didn't know, I know I've told my subscribers before, but Robby has a YouTube channel and he's starting to get more active on it. So I'll put it in a link in the description down below. Make sure to go check it out. But moving on with our day now. Well, I get to run back to Speedway because now I need to go and find fittings and everything. It's currently the weekend and the Parker store is not open. But I'm trying to see what all it is I'm gonna need to run a line lock on the Blazer. This is the brake booster, or this is the master and everything from the truck. So I'm gonna take this with me and make sure I get the right sizes, because I don't know what size they are. And I need to get fittings for this thing, and I need to get line, I need to get wire, I need to get a little bit of everything. But I'm gonna leave you guys here to hang out with Braven. He's assembling his heads.
Oh, y'all hanging out with me today? They're almost done. So only thing I got to do is throw the two valves on this side now, or the valve springs on this side. And
oh, you already got that one all assembled?
Yeah, that one's already assembled. Then I just got to do like a leak test. I'm gonna film all the chambers up and stuff, and then let them sit for a while because I got to go run and get oil change stuff for the Yukon. Alright, so we got the old spark plugs here. We're going to end up replacing these, but for now, we're going to go ahead and screw these into the cylinder head so that they're completely plugged off. So whenever we fill it up with liquid, it doesn't just leak out of the spark plug hole. So I have a few ways that I actually want to test and see whether or not these valves will leak. I will say right now that this is not going to be the most accurate way of testing it, but this is going to give me at least an idea whether or not they're anywhere near where they need to be. I've watched a bunch of YouTube videos and see how other people do it. So I'm going to fill up each cylinder port with water. A lot of people use gas because it's a lot thinner and it'll seep through. So I'm going to use water, and then you also see people use fill up the actual exhaust port or intake port full of the same liquid and see whether or not it leaks out from this side. So I think I'm just going to end up doing both ways, but we're going to actually start off with the combustion chamber side first.
Oh, so we kind of lost the daylight, my friend. I'm kind of behind on making videos, bro. My daughter's birthday and all that kind of stuff, so it is what it is. But anyhow, look at this. Braven's been working hard though. He's got both of his heads assembled and he leak tests them. No drips?
No drips?
No drips. Braven's not drippy.
I'm drippy. You see my heads, bro? See how clean them boys are?
Yeah, they do look good, bro. They came out nice. Brand new little temperature sensor. Look at this man's.
Even got the plug on this one.
Yeah, so tell them how you checked for leaks.
So,
or did you record that while I was gone?
I recorded it, and basically whenever I was recording it, you could add the clip in if you want, but I basically filled in the cylinders here, and I blew compressed air through the holes here, and just nothing but air bubbles came out. Yeah. So technically, I spent my whole day today relapping the valves again. Yeah. And basically how I did it.
It is what you gotta do it till you get it right. You know what I'm saying? It's a learning experience. So we're not gonna lie to you. Whenever we took this thing to the machine shop, the machine shop guy, like, he highly recommends against doing lapping valves. He's like, that's some shade tree shit that people don't do nowadays no more. Look, man, lapping, I watched All Motor Fong, if you guys know who that is, lapping the valves on his K series that he is putting in that crazy ass CRX. You know what I'm saying? Like, there ain't nothing wrong with lapping valves. I mean, there is different ways of doing it. Yeah. That requires a very fancy machine and paying somebody a bunch of money. But dude, this is a learning experience for Braven. He got him to where the first time he did it, they were leaking. They were leaking a lot, yeah. Yeah, and he went back and he did each one of them again. Again and again. And took his time until he got no leaks, and there's no freaking leaks now. So what he did is he went through and, like, the intake side, he filled the intake side full of water and checked the intake valves, let it sit for a while, make sure there's no leaks, and then flipped it, and then did the exhaust side, and then checked the exhaust valve, same thing. Hell yeah, dude. I'm gonna have to have you do mine whenever I pull my heads off.
It was fun. It was fun.
It was a learning experience for sure, right?
Yeah, I didn't want to take all day to do this. My head's just supposed to be on by now, but it's okay. Yeah. We lost daylight, but it's really not that late in the day. It is barely 7 o'clock, so it's not that late. It is what it is. Don't stop wishing for summertime, bro. When our summertime comes around, the sun's still up at 8 p.m. Yeah, but it's hot. At 120 degrees. 120 million degrees, bro. But all right, up next is lifters and trays. And then we'll do head gaskets. The push rods come in, or the push rods go in after the head? Yeah, go in way after. Look, Braven's over here tearing LS's apart, learning this shit before me. But this is all the stuff I'm gonna have to do here pretty soon whenever we do put a cam on the Blazer. Because yeah, I'm gonna have to do all new lifters, trays, push rods, springs, all of it. So I did end up going back to Speedway earlier, and I got everything that I need to install my line lock, and this is all it right here. I'm not really going to cover all this right now. I'm going to start on this tomorrow. It's already getting kind of late in the day, and I'm just going to spend the rest of the day helping Braven get his truck put together, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so tomorrow's video for sure though, because I'm excited about this. I really wanted to do it today, but you know, that's how it goes. Yeah, and I'm excited to show you guys like where I'm gonna mount it. It's gonna be so sick. Anyhow, let's go help Braven. Our lighting out back sucks. Well, Braven's head surface right here is definitely disgusting. And there's like a buildup right here. So we're gonna go through and actually clean all of this. And we ain't got no damn paper towels, so I got a bunch of old t-shirts. Or, what are these called? Muscle shirts. Muscle shirts. Wife beaters. Yay! Alright, so after all this time, I mean, you guys don't know how long it's been, but it's been a long time. We got one piston done. We got 7 more to go. Alright, so we're doing our best to keep everything all covered up and clean so stuff ain't going down inside of places it shouldn't be going down inside of, but here is a before. Good Lord, Jana, would you look at that? And this is after. Oh, shiny and new, man. What you know about it? Yeah, so we're trying to clean the top of the piston just for shits and giggles, but we also have to clean the mating surface for the head because it was pretty filthy too. I don't know how that area gets that damn dirty, bro, but yeah. Your turn. I did one, you do one.
I ain't gonna lie, I am not going to even try to hyperlapse the entire process of this. It'll just put my camera through way too much stress. Be like 3 or 4 batteries later, we're done. Anyhow, we're gonna get this cleaned up and then we'll catch back up with you guys. Look at the precision.
Stop messing with my hair.
Bro, you better be careful what you doing down there, dog. Braven's over here like, I'm balls deep in this son bitch. I'm like, bro, it's about ready to get you back. You better watch yourself. What are you pointing at?
You bad.
Good lord. Wow, Jesus.
Yeah, because I found out that was there the hard way.
Literally. Dang. That shit actually looks really good, bro. It's like a brand spanking new block now.
Yeah.
Got a new block, got new heads.
Yeah. We even gapped the piston rings, guys. Nah, just so we don't have to hear that in the conversation.
Alright, it's all cleaned up and now it's time to put the damn heads on. LS7 lifters and BTR trays. Engage. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. There it goes. Oh, they're going, they're going. There it is.
I'm excited for you. I want to go. Let's sell my Yukon.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
That was easier with lubricant.
Oh, yeah. Everything's easier with lubricant.
Oh, that's right.
That's correct. Good lord, bro.
Oh, that's some of my freshly clean pistons.
It's so satisfying just seeing them slide in. Bro, I was being sincere, not sexual. Good lord. Speaking of.
Oh, word.
Braven's buddy.
Me and him go way back.
Oh, shit. Get a long enough ratchet for that?
I'm only using the top of it.
Definitely got to put the headers in before the head. Oh, man. I'm gonna share this part number with you guys, not only for you, but also in case I need to come back for it later. Brian Tooley Racing 973010-2.
You're almost a trailblazer, baby.
Alright, fast forward a few hours and the heads are on. Okay, I'm just kidding. The entire truck's put back together and it's ready to start.
Oh, man.
Oil, spark plugs, intake, everything is back on. Nerve-wracking moment. Oh, that wasn't leaking?
It was whenever I was taking it apart.
I thought you said that thing was kind of jank right there.
Well, this whole thing is jank. I'm gonna replace it as just...
No, I know, but I thought it was like cracked or something.
No, that'll be fine. So I need to connect the battery and then take out the fuel pump relay so that I want to turn it over a few times before I actually start it.
Build oil pressure.
Yeah, build oil pressure. This is the battery's going low. That's why it sounds like...
I could run the jumper. 20 amp engine start. You still have the fuel disconnected, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just continue cranking a little bit to build up some more oil. How's your... Look, if something bad happens, just, you know, leave this thing sitting here for a month or so. Live through your depression, pick back up on it later.
Not helping, bro.
Oh, yep, it's leaking. Yeah. Right there where I was talking about, bro. Yeah, no, it's definitely cracked. Jesus, just keep on going, huh? So he had to run down to the auto parts store really quick and grab a new filter slash fuel pressure regulator, return, blah, blah, blah. It's the Corvette setup. You guys already know. But yeah.
Spend money on something that's temporary.
At least it was only 25 bucks. Yeah. I don't see no leaking. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and call the video here. We're kind of out of time. It's getting really freaking late. Literally worked on this Yukon all day. Well, Braven did. He kicked ass. So it went from being a headless monster to now it's all put back together. But dude, our brains are both tired and we just don't feel like troubleshooting at the moment. But it's not getting spark or pulse to the injector. So it's got to be something dumb that we're just like overlooking. Yeah. I forget what they're noid light or diode light, whatever. We have those for the injectors. Put those on there and it's not showing a pulse. And then we have a spark checker. It's not showing a spark. So I don't know. We're gonna go through the fuses, check grounds, like all that kind of stuff tomorrow. But I mean, we kind of went over it right now. And nothing looks out of place. Everything looks exactly where it should be. Like all the plugs are plugged in, all the grounds are there. I don't see any blown fuses. Like
we just gotta, honestly, I'm gonna do a bunch of research, but you know, if you guys have any idea, go ahead and throw it in the comment section. So at least help us out a little bit. I wanna get my daily back already.
It's been a really long day and I'm tired. Braven's tired. He's been working on that thing since the sun came up. We're gonna pick back up on it tomorrow when our brains are fresh. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do smash the like button. Tomorrow's video, we're gonna be putting a line lock on this dang old thing. So I'm definitely excited for that. And then obviously I'll keep you guys updated on the Yukon.
Hell yeah.
Later there, Rughead.
Later.